Where are we? Say we're staying at the Rock Inn at All Star Music. Where's our room? Ours is $45.60. All Star Music, giant guitars, WDW. Walt Disney World. Rock Inn. The giant jukebox.
Here's Donna getting ready to go into our building, which is the Rock Inn, Building 4.
That was easy as pie. Okay, so this is what the beds look like. It looks like just a regular double bed. There's the headboard. Up above, there's just like music symbols. The TV that's a flat screen. Looks like there's a mini fridge. And so that's good. There you go, there's the size of the fridge, like a college dorm fridge. There's 3 drawers here that if you want to unpack your bag, you could. There's a little table right here. There's a Bible from the Gideons. An alarm clock. There's Donald Duck with some instruments. There's Goofy, Donald, Mickey, Minnie, and Pluto. And it looks like a coat hanger where you can hang your coats. This is the bathroom. So there's a dryer, an ironing board, extra towels, pillow, soap, ice bucket, and this is what the bathroom looks like. So very basic. There's a shower curtain that's all music type instruments. It's in like a burnt orange and a green. And there's the shampoos. And they're really pretty big, like there's the conditioner, that's a pretty big bottle to get. And that's the shampoo. It's HTO, Sea Marine. There's the soap, bath towels, very basic. And there's the sink and the mirror.
This is the view of the Rock Inn area from the 2nd floor. There's a nice old Chevy Bel Air down there. I'm gonna guess 56, 58. I don't know my cars. Right by our building there's a big speaker, giant. And there are 2 pools at All Star Music. This is the piano pool. It's the smaller one. So this would be a quieter area to swim in or relax in. It's got a little mermaid statue over there. We're headed to Melody Hall. That's the food court and regular check-in area. Oh, Cohen's loving it. Here's a giant drum set. Disney's All-Star Jazz Band, the Jazz Inn. That's a huge drum set. There's one on either side. Everywhere you look, there's pretty strong clues that you're in All-Star Music. There's the saxophone, the trumpet, conga drum, maracas, and music notes everywhere. I don't know what that song is though, but it's in 2/4 time. We're hungry, so we're going to the Intermission Food Court. My grandson said he was hungry. We've got chicken nuggets, Beyond Beef burger, pizza, pasta. There's grilled steak, American classic burger, and chicken caprese sandwich. And in this section, these are items that you can pre-order. You don't just pick them up here. You go to the register and place your order, and they give you a pager that'll go off when your food is ready. And then you walk around the corner from the registers, and this is where you pick up your pizza when your buzzer goes off. So pretty good system. We got our refillable mugs too. Here's the bakery section with some cool cupcakes.
After we eat our lunch, we could have a cupcake. There's an Elsa one. Snowflakes on it, an Elsa cupcake.
Yeah.
Mickey one. Which ones do you like?
I want to eat all of them.
All of them. Good choice. You can get a cappuccino, mocha latte, different drinks over here. And you can also get ice cream. Lots of desserts over here. Rolls and pastries, monster cookies and cupcakes. A lot to look forward to after your main meal. Donna just made a trip to the bakery. What'd you get?
This is a Red Forest cupcake.
Ah.
I can't wait to try it.
Looks good.
Get over here and look at that. There's glitter in her cupcake.
Are you gonna take a look?
Glitter? Glitter that you can eat?
Look, you see that?
Wow.
Sure you don't want a bite of just the frosting?
Right across from the food court is the arcade. And it looks like a pretty big arcade. We're gonna go in there. There's also a fuel rod station. And you can press pennies. That's quite a few games in here. Air hockey, skee ball, a big Space Invaders game. And to play the games you need to get a card. It shows how many points you get for the money you pay. I noticed skee ball took 30 points to play. I'm sure it varies a lot from game to game. But the best value is $25, 1,250 play points, plus 750 bonus points, or like 2,000 points. You can use cash or credit card to purchase and recharge a card. Pretty big on driving games here. Defender and Pac-Man. And there's a Typhoon. It's like a roller coaster simulator. And basketball. And in the arcade they have a board that shows the recreation activities for the resort. Even the movies Under the Stars. Those start at 6:30. This week they were doing Lilo and Stitch, Mulan, The Little Mermaid, and Toy Story. And at 12 noon they have a Calypso Pool party. And today they did bingo, arts and crafts, hula hoop games, actor fiction, Calypso dance extravaganza at 5 o'clock, and then the movie. So something different every day. The gift shop here is called Maestro Mickey's. And it looks like it's decent size, so we're gonna go take a look and see what kind of merchandise they have. And there's a board as you go in that has some trivia questions on it, from Enchanted, what strange land does Giselle travel to, what kingdom is Giselle from, and so on. So that's kind of cool. I'm sure that changes every day. So check back and see if you know the answers. Here's some ears. Of course, there's all kinds of different ones. Like even a bride and groom ears. It's my birthday. Stitch and Pluto, Donald, Goofy, Sorcerer Mickey, all kinds of fun. They have these hats that say 28, 2018, the year to be here. We're here, so good timing. This is the lobby at All Star Music. About 9:30 at night, there's people checking in still.
Okay, this is the laundromat here at All Star Music, and they have detergent right over here that you can buy, and there's the dryers. There's what the washers are. Oh, it says dressing room for women. Oh, probably due to the pool is right here. So that's probably why the dress rooms, and there's the one for the men's.
This is the Calypso Pool, and right by it is the Singing Spirits Bar. Alcoholic and frozen drinks right outside the food court. We really enjoyed our stay here. And this completed our goal of staying at all the All-Star resorts. So now we've stayed at All-Star Music, Movies, and Sports. And they're all good value for the money. Buses will come pick you up and take you anywhere. There's playgrounds for the kids, a splash pad at All-Star Sports. Plenty of things to do here. 2 good pools. We would really recommend it. And you can stay here and save a little money. It was a little walk from our room to Melody Hall, but not too bad. The main pool is called the Calypso Pool. That's right by Melody Hall. This is also the Calypso area on either side. So those are good rooms to stay in. This is a nice big pool, and it's got the 3 caballeros out in the middle. And these rooms right around the Calypso Pool would be considered preferred rooms. So, and how much extra do they charge for preferred rooms?
$20 extra a night, but it's totally worth it.
Yeah.
You have kids, and even grandma and grandpas.
Yeah, even good for grandpa and grandmas. But the preferred room area is really nice to have. This because of your closeness to the Calypso Pool, Melody Hall, and the food court, and the gift shops, and the arcade. So it's just very handy. And between the Calypso and Jazz rooms, there's a pathway that leads to the playground. It says it's for the enjoyment of children ages 2 to 12. And the playground's covered in kind of a fine sand. And there's different kinds of playground equipment here for them to play on, and slide on and just run around in this area. So that's kind of nice. There's some more of the playground equipment. Just another little added feature of this resort.
So goodbye, Disney. We will miss you until the next time.
We'll be back, but it's time to head home. Bye, Mickey.
It's been a great adventure.